How to add payment method in Bybit. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Bybit and then simply click on deposit in the top right corner. Then what you're gonna have to do next is click on fiat deposit, and then you're gonna have to simply enter the amount of money would you like to deposit. Of course, you're gonna have to choose your currency, so depending on your country. So I'm gonna go with the euro, and as you can see, you have multiple payment methods, so simply choose any of these. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on continue, and then simply make a small deposit or whatever you would like to deposit. And after that, that payment method will be saved on your Bybit account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.